How to apply Bolt food delivery work. To apply for delivery work or for courier service on Bolt Food, maybe as a part-time job or as a full-timer. What are the steps that you need to do? You can download the Bolt Food Courier application on a mobile phone, or you can open your browser and type in Bolt Food Delivery Apply. You'll find the first link from bolt.eu, which is Food Delivery Courier, Make Money Delivering Food. So tap on that first link. It will ask me to sign up as a courier. Tap on the sign up as a courier option, and it will again redirect me to another website. Now you have to simply choose a country where you wish to deliver. Tap the country option, and here it will show you a list of supported countries over here. So let me go ahead and then make sure to enter that particular option as well. Once you enter the country, tap the next option. After you tap on next, you have to simply fill in all the details that it is giving you. Now the language you see here will be based on the region that you provide. So enter your details according to the legal details, like your phone number, first name, last name, email, and then careers, and then what city you'd like to work in, and all the different details. Once you fill out the form, tap the sign up button, and Bolt will let you know if you're eligible to work as a delivery rider or as a courier. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.